Welcome to Bill's Pre-K Tai Chi. We're going to do the next series of 4 movements. We're going to start where we left off with single whip, which we are Tai Chi step, all our weight on the left leg. Now the first movement we're going to do is a series of 3 move hands like clouds. So we shift our weight back, bring our right arm up, followed by our left. My weight's on my right leg, and now I start shifting my weight and pivoting at the same time. My left hand is in front of my face. When I get all my weight over my left leg, I catch up with the black foot. I switch hands. Now I rotate with my feet together, but my weight is now shifted to my right leg. Now I change hands, step out, pivot. All my weight shifts to my left leg. I can bring my right foot up, change hands, pivot to my right. I reach that level. One more time, step out and rotate. At this point, I half step up with the right foot and I extend my right arm, open up, single whip. We do now a half step up. We're going to do pat the horse, which means our right arm comes across the top and strikes the enemy and our bottom hand is below it. It's like you're patting a horse. At this point, we step out to the left, we circle our arms. As our arms come together, all my weight's on my left leg and I bring my right leg up and I raise my right leg, I open up the hip and I right heel kick. And that's the conclusion of the 4 movements. Now I'm going to do them one more time with very little commentary. So we start with a single whip. Move hands like clouds. Again, I'm rotating and keeping that upper hand straight. As I come across, I catch up. Change hands, I rotate, I shift my weight to my right leg so I can step out. I continue to rotate. 1, rotate, and 1 more, and at the end of this, I do a single whip, 1 more single whip. I open up, I half step up with the right foot, I open my palms, my weight is on my right leg, pat the horse. Now I step out to the left, circle my arms, my weight is all on my left leg. As I bring my arms together, I lift my right leg, open up the hip, right heel kick. And that's the conclusion of this segment of 4 moves. Please join me for the next 4. Thank you.